Hi everyone! Today we're going to make kinetic sculptures together. Everything you will need is pictured here and can be found in your kits. Let's take a moment to gather our materials. We'll need our styrofoam base, feathers, large beads, small beads, pipe cleaners, and maybe some other fun things. Let's get started. We'll start today by working with our pipe cleaners. You can use your fingers to pinch your pipe cleaners and wrap them gently around your fingers. You can do this to make all different kinds of lines: curly, zigzag, wavy, straight, you name it. This strengthens the muscles in our hands and helps us build our fine motor skills so that later on in life we're able to use writing utensils. Once you've bent your pipe cleaners how you like, stick them into your styrofoam. This is the fun part. Now that our pipe cleaners are in the shape that we want them to be, whether that's straight or curly or zigzag, we can start placing them on our base and adding decorative items. I'm using beads here because I like how they look. My plan is to place them all on in a pattern. Maybe you could try a pattern too. I'm using pink, purple, yellow, pink, purple, yellow, over and over again until I run out of room. I'm going to leave a little bit of space at the end of my pipe cleaner right there so that I have enough to put it back in the base at the bottom. Now we get to put our design engineering skills to use. You can plan and place your items wherever you like on your foam base. Our kinetic sculptures today are open-ended, meaning there is no wrong or right way to create. This project is simply an invitation to make, play, tinker, and experiment with the materials provided. Get creative! Once you feel like you've gotten to a good stopping point and you like how your product looks, you can go ahead and stop. The best thing about this project is that all of your materials are reusable, so when you're all done playing with your materials, you can put them back in your kit. You can slowly pull the items out of your styrofoam base, place them back into the container that they came in, and save it for another rainy day.